Hello, people. Hello, my people. Is anybody there? Good evening, my brothers and sisters. How na day? Are you people there? Is anybody there? I don't know if it's working. How na day? How na day? How na day? I don't know. Me if I check whether they work for the other side. Is anybody there? Now, good evening, my brothers and sisters. Hello, people. Now they're there. Are you people hearing me? Hello, my brothers and sisters. Is anybody there? May I just talk and sharp. Time don't go. Time don't pass safe. My brothers and sisters. Hey. I greet you, but what happen? Oh, now wow. Me, I felt just put them on a list because the thing, oh, well, get as it be because now, because now I see this something where I write for them. Me, I felt put them on a job listing, listing. I put the video.
Albert, this is one of the girls you have slept with. And this one is up to, as I speak to you, I don't know whether it's up to, they will give you their data. This was the recent one they slept with. This one is not up to 12 years. And I speak to you now, this one is already been defined as yesterday. This is the corporate. What is your name? What is your name? His name is something from which part of Nigeria? Which part of Nigeria?
My brothers and sisters, as I see this video, I say may I share am with una. I will put am for my page, but I not put the video here. My brothers and sisters, wetin happen? This one I think na for Delta State for happen na Delta. This stepfather. Oh God, he give belle to his stepdaughter. Oh God, the thing. I don't know as I talk, come on and no verse because it they really happen. Wetin me I dey talk for inside. The mother. Me I will continue to talk on na mother. Me I be mother. You wey get 2 children, 2 girls. You know say you marry another man. No be their papa. You just leave yourself like that. You know even they care. Before that man go do that thing, give this pikin belle. Where the mother dey? That time where they grow come that time. Hey, you know as I be baby girl now, my mother they check me all the time. Go say it be like say your body do like this. It be like say your leg do like this. You know now so they check. But mother nowadays they know they check or they not even care. Before man go come do that thing to your daughter. The woman don't know. I don't know. Me, they ask myself. The woman don't know. You don't know what they go on. Huh? See the girl, I think they say never even reach 15 years. He never even reach 15 years. I go put the video now, watch her for page if you don't want to go watch her. Because I know if you put her for you, I just want to just listen to the audio. mothers, if you know say I still dey talk, if you know say you don first born before you go marry another man, no talk say that man go dey do your pikin like say na yo, not be yo, because he with her not get any blood or something, not be blood, he eye fit dey. I don't know wetin dey worry this men. Wetin you see for pikin wey never even reach anything, wetin you see for a body? You dey carry mama, dey carry pikin. Hey, nothing wey person no go see, nothing wey person no go see. I just see am say me I share am with una. Maybe some of una never even see am. Me I still share am. Me una still see wetin dey go on. Wetin dey go on. My brothers and sisters, abeg, mothers, especially your baby girl, know who you dey leave am for. Who you, even though say na your, I don't know, na your neighbor, na this one, no trust anybody. Because this brain where we get, some of them, when we just some of them just dey waka, they go like that. Wetin dey inside the different though. Wetin dey think is different. See now, you don't give the small pikin belle, even they carry the other one Jonah. Before maybe mama maybe he can't know now say pikin get belle. But where the mother dey before the pikin get belle? Where the mother dey? Because na mother, I was still talking na mother na supposed to open your eye well. Because some women, if they just marry another man, he go say no, the man they treat her as a daughter, as a pikin. And if you say no, wetin no be so. Open your eye well. No be all men shall, but all those one, this one, like this one now, where he braid turn upside down. Where he braid turn upside down. Wetin small pikin? No see the small pikin now don't destroy life. It don't destroy life. Wetin they want do now? The small pikin now, he don't get belle. Small pikin. The man are 44 years old. 44 years old man. Now do this thing so. 44 years old man. Small pikin. Where be say if he be your daughter, it destroy life. Not be only one or the two of them. Be like saying that there be two sisters. Be like saying there be two sisters. I believe say because as me listening to the video, it be like say now the third and the second one where he do so now he can't open everything come out. Because then they ask the other one say see the one where he do there before yesterday, and we of which say the first one, that one don't get belle. You understand? Because that one they they do you know know what they happen. No, maybe not greet tell him mother. The man go, you say some men go, they say if you tell your mother go do this one, go do the other one, go, you go keep quiet. Maybe now the second one, now you can't open the man yash. I will put the video more on our looking for them, now still listening well to know what you need, because now then I me for thoughts. Okay, now this man do day before yesterday where you can't open in yash. So me wicked though, just carry small pikin, just destroy life like that. So men too wicked, they too wicked. I don't know what they attract them for small pikin body. What you see for that small pikin body, mama will not reach you. If mama will not reach you, you go they look the small pikin yo. And the mama no say some women dey. Last I think don't reach 2 weeks. I be last month where I do one video where this lady go put camera for inside house, they watch what they go on, because maybe she suspects something. Now you go put camera for them. Like this mother now, before man come give your pikin belle, where you dey? Me still they ask where you dey. Small pikin, say small pikin now. They get at them say they do. Who don't born? You go know your pikin. You go know say all pikin not be the same. If one day one kind, you must know say something they happen. If maybe not they happy, you go know say something they happen. You must ask and say, what did they do you? Why you be like this? Not be so you did before, not be so you be a week ago or 2 months ago. What did they go on? Why you not come they laugh again? Why you not they so shy again? So more than they not care. They don't care. Maybe na market they go. Now that market now go just carry for head. You know if you care whether picking, whether you go ask question, whether picking go do something. I remember it don't take get one movie where I watch. I think what they call Igbava. That movie, it just still be like something like this. Because many people they think say all this movement where we they watch maybe you know they give anything. For me, I they watch and where they collect many things for inside. So women they don't even care. When they break, you go just carry this thing, they go market. You go call in the night. You don't know what they happen for your house. You no go know what they happen. Maybe now person I go come they tell you say this your pikin. You know say when children come they do one kind. Or maybe mama na come see say the daughter they do one kind they vomit. You know say some people they get belle they go na so they go vomit reach 3 months before the vomit go stop. Na so some go dey, na so sleep, na go dey sleep. Na so some dey, na so food na go dey eat. So maybe mama come dey think and say, wetin dey do you now? I believe say na they come see wetin dey happen. Say na the man wey dey with the stepfather. Na he just na wow. My brothers and sisters, if I dey hear something where they happen, I dey fear really. I go just dey fear. I go say, so our person you just open your crow eye, we get many for outside, many e dey for everywhere. Small pikin, you just carry the small pikin, you want just destroy life like that. I beg my brothers and sisters, if you be mother, open your eye well, because all these things where they happen now, we the mother now supposed to they take care. We supposed to they take care, especially if you know say you don't marry. Now you born baby girl, especially baby girl, because all this thing now they happen through all this man, another man where you don't marry, where you know say not being born that your daughter. So yeah, go there. No trust her well like that too. I not say the man go do bet. No trust her. Say I too trust this man. No, you don't know what they girare for inside your brain. You don't know what they go around for inside your brain, especially where your daughter don't they grow come out. You know say some baby girl when they don't they grow come out, you can't see their this thing for front. You can't see their body. Open your eye where they watch, where they put leg, where they waka pass. A man of 44 years, see what he open eye do. Anyway, my brothers and sisters, I bet mona put thumbs up, mona like the video, mona like am. I'll put them for Facebook, If you want watch them for them, maybe you don't still see them, that you now see them for them, because I don't want to put them for here. I just want to just hear the audio. I'll put them for my page, and I'll see them for them. So my brothers and sisters, now this small one, because as I just see and say I go show you now. Because not be only me one just see and go. I'll just still come up for there, because many things there where I know they see people still send that come give me see. Since me still see and say me I still show and say see what they go on, see what this man do. So me I leave una my brothers and sisters. Time don't go. Tomorrow is school. From Untouchable Mama, my brothers and sisters, remain blessed. Mona sleep well. I bet mona do well. Me I fair greet una do well. What we say, Thank you for being there. Thank you for watching and sharing. Waya say, thank you. Thank you. One love, my brothers and sisters. I'll see you anytime where I see something. I will be sharing with una. Maybe some of una never even see, Maybe some of una don't see, but I will just do a quick. I will share and say, Mona see what it go on. See what they. Okay, I will share that. I'm fine. I did fine. Hope you are fine too. I did fine, my brothers and sisters. Okay, now I just tell this one because many people go work tomorrow. Why some go where they want go tomorrow? So I not say I know the tomorrow detail. Since I don't put this one, I bet mona try, mona watch the video, mona see the man. Mona see. I will put them for there. Una know my page now. Untouchable Mama. Mona subscribe. Mona press, mona follow me there, because I dey put many things for there where I know they talk sometimes for YouTube. But if I see say something there where I want just quick talk, I will still pick on. I will say okay, if I get time, I will just still talk and say mona see what they go on. Like this one, I just see on this morning now. So this evening, I will still show now. Say mona see what they go on. Mona be careful. If you really. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I love you so much. I love you too. Thank you. So if I see something like this, I go bring and come. Even though say na 5 minutes, even though say na 10 minutes, I'll just still talk. I'll just still come up for there. So my brothers and sisters, anybody at all, because as I see this thing, I dey my colleague balon, me I say, because I be mother, you know. No matter say I not get baby girl, but I be mother. How you just destroy small girl like that, 15 years old, and now I can't get belle. And me, I don't know what they want to do now. I don't know what they want to do now. Small girl. I blame my mother. Maybe people they thought I blame my mother. Where? Because before that thing can't happen, where you dey? Because anything happen to pikin wey never reach 18 years, na the mother. Since the mother not there with the father now you where the children there with, now you then go ask question where you dey. Market not let you see road that be waiting. Tafia not let you see where you dey before man can't give am belle. Not be saying at one time. They say don't tell where the man don't they do the something. They say don't pay. The mother no even put eye for grant. I don't know, because mother whether they see this time, they not even I don't know, they know they watch their children. They know they watch. Now, so I want to go market. I want to go do this one. I know they talk about abroad though, because abroad though, now. If you not watch out, but like, go help you watch out for you. So shall go help you watch out. That one not be here back home, because here now, if you not watch your pikin, when now from school now they watch them say this pikin get as big, get what they do. You know they social again. You know they do this one. They will start to they watch out for their bed. Our own now they talk so because they know they care. They will just carry their something. Then they go market. They want to go do that tafia. They want to go do the other one. I cause all this one. So you'll see pikin of 15 years now. He go cook. Mama not the house. He go cook. He go do this one. Go do the other one. Go do the other one. And I with the stepfather now go the house. And the stepfather not go they look a bonbon. You go they look a bonbon and go say one day sister mama not they stay house. He hear all the brain go they turn upside down. Now they cost all this one so. Now they cost all this one so. I just pity that small girl, that's all. I just pity her because of your hankere no my me agbon. See what they do. I bet my brothers and sisters, me I live una bo. Yeah, from Otoshebo mama, my brother, bye bye. I love you all. We're saying, please, I will put the video there. So Mona go watch the wicked man, very wicked heart. We are not what it's very, very bad. Anyway, it's very bad. So now good night. See you for my next audio. One love. Ciao. Now good night.